King of flesh and soul divine, bring laughter to my teeth. Draw kohl upon my spirit's eyes, let soul sight find relief. O moon ashamed before your grace, your love absolves my blood. Whenever my heart saw your face, it whispered fate has come. We are the balls within your game, tossed round your bat of fate. At times you call us into joy, at times you hurl us to the gate. At times you pull us into sleep or set us chasing things. Now to the city of forever, now the desert's withering. At times we thank the master's hand, at times we cry alas. At times we serve a lover's face, at times we drink the madness glass. You made the soul both lost and wild, both lover of the hidden. Sometimes it loves the cave's retreat, sometimes the show unbidden. Sometimes it seeks a golden crown, sometimes throws dust instead. Now it's a king upon a throne, now wears a beggar's thread. A wondrous tree with wondrous fruit, sometimes apple, sometimes gourd. At times it blooms in honey juice, at times in poison poured. Stream, both water flows, at times it's blood, at times it's wine. Now the cup of ruby pours, now milk, now honey's line. Sometimes the heart is wrapped in lore, sometimes its wisdom dies. It reaps all virtue from the world, and sometimes trouble buys. Today it's proud like Muhammad's soul, tomorrow just a beast. At times the foe, at times the friend, at times the kin at feast. At times it's thorn, at times it's rose, at times it's vinegar, at times it's meat. Now it's the drummer, now the drum until it feels. Sometimes it chases after fives and sixes, lost in numbers may. Sometimes it seeks the highest soul in long and secret days. Now digging low like current's cave, now soaring Christ like high. Set free by grace, set free by love and sunlight of the sky. Fish at home in ocean's heart, its graven home the sea. Its garden grows beneath the waves, it knows no world but thee. All hues dissolve, become as one, in sacred wine they flow. Immerse in God's own living dye, let spirit freely go. Now freed from shame and pride, and placed from come and go, released. Like stones beneath the turning wheel, the grinding never ceased. The gate is open, do not flee, companions gather near. We join your train, we follow on, in love's reward sincere. We've strengthened you, forgiven you, as gratitude abides. And thankfulness will draw the stream where perfect peace resides. Babble of speech is closed at last, silence is what we need. We end in stillness, curtain drawn, let silence now proceed.